Oh, freedom is right beneath you. You just don't even know. This little bird either is enjoying itself here or is just petrified and doesn't know where to go or what to do and like what to make of all of this. But freedom is right underneath the couple times that the little bird has flown about. It aims right at the doors and freaks out and goes up because I'm sure of the previous bang in the head it already the first time it went out because it came in, but you can do it. But it went out. It tried to go out and it hit that pane. And that's when it ended up on the floor, and now it was up on now it's been up. The bird's fine. You just got to get the bird to figure out how to go outside. But that's the update. You can do it. Oh, it looks. It's right underneath. You can hear all your buddies, can't you? They're right underneath you. They're right. All kinds of birds right under. Oops. Don't you hear them? You can do it. Huh. We're all rooting for you. We're rooting for you. You can do it. You can do it. Now drop down and hang it right. That's your buddies. That's all your buddies. Did you hear them? That's where you going now. I don't know what your plan is. Is this a good plan? There you go. Drop down. Go visit your buddies. Okay. All right. Well, you got to go, right? Well, that's Adventures from Wild Kingdom from Club Ted.